If your espresso tastes bad, it's probably not your machine. Today I'm going to show you 5 common mistakes that ruin your espresso and how to fix them. Most of these are super easy changes that can instantly improve your coffee. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. Mistake number 1, bad grind size. This is the biggest one. If your grind is too coarse, your espresso will run too fast and taste weak. If it's too fine, it will choke the machine and taste bitter. How to fix? Adjust your grinder step by step until you get a smooth, steady flow. Not too fast, not too slow. For double shot of espresso, 18 grams in, 36 ml out, a good starting point is around 25 to 30 seconds for shot. Mistake number 2, inconsistent dosing. If you are just guessing how much coffee you are using, your results will be all over the place. How to fix? Use a simple scale and stick to the same dose every time. For example, 18 grams in, 36 ml out. Consistency here makes a huge difference. Mistake number 3, no distribution. If you skip distribution, you will get clumps in your coffee, and that leads to channeling. Water finds weak spots and ruins your extraction. How to fix? Use the WDT tool or just stir the ground lightly to break up clumps and spread everything evenly. It only takes a few seconds but helps a lot. Mistake number 4, bad tamping. If your tamp is uneven or too light, the water won't flow evenly. How to fix? Focus on keeping the tamp level straight. You don't need crazy pressure, just press firmly and evenly. Mistake number 5, bad beans. You can do everything right, but if your beans are old, the espresso will still taste bad. How to fix? Use fresh beans, ideally roasted within the last 2 weeks to 4 months. Store them properly, not open on the counter. Pro level tip, coffee beans can be even too fresh. I would recommend start brewing 1 to 2 weeks after roasting. And yes, I've made all of these mistakes, probably this morning. Quick recap. Dial in your grind, keep your dose consistent, distribute properly, tamp level, and use fresh but not too fresh beans. Fix these 5 things and your espresso will already be way better. Let me know which one you've been doing wrong. Hey, but no judgment. Guys, if your espresso is still bad, maybe it is your machine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video.